It's perfect for guests and perfect for family.
This room is not like any other room in the home.
Another key design feature of this home is my guest bedroom and guest bathroom. So I've positioned that ensuite to be very close to our alfresco doors, so that if the kids are outside swimming, they can come straight inside and there's a toilet and shower very close by. So we've got a guest bedroom which is through there.
Okay, yeah.
So they've got their own little private area as well. They've got access to their own bathroom.
Yeah.
But it's also a bathroom that we will use a lot as well. And again, this one doesn't have a window, so we've put the skylight in, which will be above the shower.
Yeah.
I also feel it's important to utilise that ensuite as much as possible, and we have that doubling up as our other main access bathroom. When we have guests over, it's accessible and they don't need to walk through my whole home right down the other end to use a bathroom.
You don't necessarily want a guest bedroom just for the sake of it. If it can serve those two purposes, it's great.
I knew I always wanted to go very light on the walls, and for 3 of my walls I've gone with a white matte finish tile, but to give it some character and personality still, I've chosen the white penny rounds. I've put the penny rounds on the wall that will get the least amount of water so that it's still easy to clean. Entering my bathroom from the hallway, I wanted it to flow straight through. So for that reason, I've chosen a floor tile closest looking to my polished concrete floor. For a modern look, I am choosing matte black tapware. We've used this matte black tapware on past projects and we know that it's easy to clean and durable. I have a few options for my timber vanity. I know I want to add a timber element in there, but I haven't finalised my choice just yet. But to help me make my decision, I put everything together, lay it all down and see how they all look together.
With kids, or even if it's not for kids, whoever's using the bathroom, it's just so much easier, isn't it, to access everything when you've got the drawers rather than having to pull open the door and look for everything down the back.
We went quite large and grand with this media room. It's a really fun, inviting space for the kids to hang out, but at the same time, I've designed it to still fit in with the home and have incorporated the blues and greens to still have the theme continued with the resort feel. I'm going to carry through the same cabinetry throughout my home, so I need to make sure that this cabinetry is still going to work with my paint colour that I choose in there. I'm thinking about Canyon Black. So I've got my dark Canyon Black, I've got my timber look cabinetry and my carpet, and I've checked them all together to make sure it all works.
Sarah's had a lot of fun with colour in that room, and I just love the balance that she's striked between that practical, but it's still looking fantastic. It's still nice to have a room like this, something that feels different from the rest of the house, where you can shut the doors, it's nice, it's cosy, you don't actually have lots of light, you've got light everywhere else in the home. It's really nice to have a breakout kind of room like this. So one of the things you want to think about quite early on in your build is where your TV is going to sit, especially in a room like this, which is dedicated to watching TV. You want to make sure you think about the size of the TV, how high you want it to sit, and make sure you get your conduit included so that all your cables run down through the wall and then they come out down the bottom, so you're not stuck with any ugly cables.
On one side of my lounge, I have a white hanging chair.
Yeah.
On the other side, I have 1.2 metres of space, and I want to put a floor lamp in. There's 2 I'm choosing between. This one here with the timber and the white.
It's handy to have somewhere to put things down. That is nice.
That is, yes, that is why this one has made my top 2 in my decisions, because this bit is really cool, it's really practical and functional.
Yeah.
My other choice is this one here with the timber, and with my home being resort style and feel, I do have a lot of rattan in various places, and there's not really any in that room at all yet.
That is practical, having that on there, but I kind of feeling like this is a bit too Scandi. Whereas I feel, okay, maybe I'm just a little bit biased, but I do love the shore and it throws beautiful light. It is really nice. Yeah.
I think this is my winner.
Yeah, I think just go for it.
Yeah.
I love that you can see the pool from so many different rooms in this home. I was in the guest bedroom the other day and I didn't even realise, but you can actually lay on the guest bed and see the pool from even the guest bedroom. With this bathroom, we're keeping it light and bright, but it's definitely not boring.
I don't have a favourite child, but I do have a favourite kids room.